Hey guys, if your Philips TV is not turning on, maybe you get some kind of black screen, then I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. So the first thing you're going to do is just come round to the back of your television and you need to locate the power cable that runs from your TV to the power outlet. Once you've located the power outlet on the wall, we're going to unplug this from the power and we need to leave this unplugged for around about 30 seconds. With the power unplugged, we're then going to head round to the front of our television and you need to locate the power button that's located on your TV. Now every model of television has this button located in a slightly different place. For my particular model of television, this is located around the side of the television like you see here. And once you've found this power button, we're just going to hold down the power for around about 15 seconds. Now this is going to drain any residual power that might be remaining in the TV. And once we've done that, we can finally head back over to the power socket, replug the plug back into the wall, and then you can try turning on your television. Now if that doesn't fix it, the next thing we can do is head back round to the back of the television and you need to locate the HDMI ports. So if you do currently have any cables plugged in to your HDMI ports, then you just need to go ahead and remove these HDMI connections. Now, sometimes what can happen is if you do have a faulty HDMI connection, it can create the illusion that your TV is not turning on, whereas in fact, it could just be a faulty HDMI connection. So once we've removed these cables, once again, you can try checking to see if that fixes the issue. Otherwise, the third method that we're going to try is to once again unplug your TV from the power and then head over to your television remote. We're just going to head round to the back of the remote control and you're going to remove the batteries from the remote. Then you need to point your TV remote at the television and just hold down the power button for 10 seconds. Then finally, you can put the batteries back into the remote control and we're going to head back round to the back of the television and you're just going to replug the power back into the wall here. Now hopefully one of these steps have fixed the black screen error. If you have tried everything and that's still not working, the last thing I'd recommend doing is to replace the power cable that runs from your TV to the wall. If you do have a spare one on another television, you can just try replacing it with that. Otherwise, you can order one of these cables online for just a few quid. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.